Saturday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. Before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths, move the energy around, release some tension if you have it, and remember that this is me time, we time, wherever you are in your day, beginning, during, or end. All right, follow me. Breathe in and out. One more. Breathe in and out. Woo! Hashtag your mood down below. Let me know how you feel. For me, I am feeling, I may have used this one already, I'm feeling accomplished. I completed uploading one of my courses on Udemy. Is it Udemy or Udemy? So I feel superb about that because that was actually on my May to do. And because I was in the middle of transitioning and doing different things, I'm so happy that I do a entire calendar time block. So I list things that I need to get done for the month, for the quarter, and for the year. And I was able to see that was not finished. So got it done, and now I'm recording this for us for today. We are on episode 158 of Shift Your Thinking from Dean Del Sesto, 200 Ways to Improve Our Life. If you're new to me, say hi, say hello, drop a comment down below. My name's Puerto, known as Super Agent, international speaker, public educator, active licensed real estate professional, and creator and founder of Real Estate 100 Youth Foundation, and host of Ready, Set, Real Estate. All right, you can stay connected with me on all your favorite social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn at LA Super Agent. You'll notice that I'm not wearing my glasses because I don't like the glare that's happening, and until I make some adjustments with my lighting, I'll do that. It just bothers me. It may not bother you, but it bothers me when I look back at the video and I see the glare in my glasses. So with that being, either that or I can invest in some contacts. I just don't know how I feel about doing that, Let me know if you wear contacts and how you feel about it. All right. I'm captioning episode 158 as the illusion of time. This illusion of time. I'm in the section where he says, days are long, life is short. Go figure. Would it be wise to take some time to think about time? Well, it's about time. He says, time is an interesting thing. The speed at which time travels never changes and constant with every clock in the world. He says, a second is a second, an hour is an hour, and a day is a day. Time never stops, which is why I call it the illusion of time. Because, all right, I'm not going to get into mind blowing you on this. Let's deal with this. There are no pause buttons, he says. Even a broken clock gets older, its hands are still, but time ticks on. Now, consider a clock that counts down from, let's say, 12 million minutes. That would be about the time I have left, assuming I live to about 80 and I'm now approaching 50, the author says. No matter how I slice time, one fact remains about this uninterruptible blessing we have been given. The value of time, type in the comments, value of time is not measured by time itself, nor by our perception of it. It is measured by how we participate in time we've been given. Type in the comments, measured by my participation. I know that's a lot, but I want you to get in the habit of really taking notes and taking this in. Since we learned on the last episode, people are only retaining 10% of things that they hear. He says, and the way in which we leverage every moment, hour, day, and year. We have been given great capacity to be stewards of our time. Type stewards of our time. We can have a major influence in the way we live out our dreams. make an impact in the world, and give of ourselves. Think about ways that you're doing this now. We all have the same unique ability to increase the value of moments by our commitment to maximize each of them. Or we can sedate ourselves with the illusion that there is an endless supply of time and live with no drive to capitalize on the most incredible gift of all, which is this thing we call time. He says, through time, it has been shown that a day may take place in an effective hour and an hour in a productive minute. That's how I feel about Shift Your Thinking. Doing it 10 minutes, I feel highly productive. Please press 1 if Shift Your Thinking resonates with you. Are you feeling productive when we do this 10 minutes out of your 24 hours, at your 24-hour day? He says, yet time is black and white, nothing gray. That which is lost may never be regained. It would be of value to spend some time thinking about your time. With that being said, I invite you to think about ways of what you are doing with your 24 hours, aside from spending it with me. But how are you maximizing your time for your greatest human potential? All right, that's my time, and I'll see you tomorrow as we continue our series of Shift Your Thinking Daily. I love you, love you, love you. Have a powerful and productive day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.